Hey everybody, this is the Pelican 15-foot tandem canoe Explorer. Having some issues with the seats. The seats broke on me this year. I'm seeing some stuff on some online forums that other people are having the same problems because of a pretty shitty seat design. So I'll walk over here and show you the seat that's broke. Alright, so this was the front seat, and you can see down here the mold that they use, or the design. Basically there's a paper thin piece of plastic that's holding the weight for the person sitting in the seat, and it started to tear right here. So I've seen some people say that they're in a canoe, the whole seat just falls to the bottom of the floor and they flip the canoe. But anyways, it's a pretty bad design, I think. And I've ordered a new seat. I found a website. I'll post the name of the website later. I can't remember, but here it is. The seat's made better actually, because the design they use, this is all plastic, and the piece of plastic here next to the screws are actually thicker. The seat looks different, definitely a little bit, but I think it'll fit. And the backs look a little different with the seat support right here. I think I paid like $38. It got here in a week. Wasn't bad. But here's the seat support. I found out also through research that this piece is very important. I've also heard some people say that they were going to try some wooden basket weave seats, which wouldn't work because there's no support for the hull. And if you don't have any support for the hull, you're going to have what they call canting, and the hull, the canoe could come up and capsize the boat. So if your canoe has this pole down here, that's not enough to support the hull. You're going to need to have the structural support of this. But anyways, if I can't get I'm going to use this old piece on the new seat. If I can't get it to work, I'm going to use the 1/4 inch piece of plywood, connect it to it, and put it on there. But I'll make another video later, see how this works out, and show you guys. But this is the Pelican Explorer 15-foot canoe.